Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this 3-tier tray. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. For this next DIY, you're going to want to get yourself a pack of these plates. These are from the Dollar Tree. And then also a pack of the smaller ones. You're also going to want to get some of these sticks. These are from the brushes. You could get these from the Dollar Tree. And then a few of these little crystals. Also this tape here. This is duct tape. This tape came from Hobby Lobby. Some glue sticks, your scissors, and your glue gun. So now I'm just gonna take the brush off the stick, and I'm gonna wrap this tape around it. So I'll just be making strips like this. And so I have the whole stick covered. And this tape is like has a mirror effect. So this is what it looks like. So with the hot glue, I glued 2 plates together so that it can be a stronger hold. So I just put a little bit in the center and I glued all 3 sets of plates. So I'm going to place some glue on the bottom of these gems. I'm going to stick it on the bottom of the plate. So what I did was I put some glue on the bottom of the tray of the stick, and I'm just placing it right in the center of the first plate. So it just should look like this. Now I'm putting glue on on the second stick, and I'm also placing it in the middle. Then I'm taking 2 of these plates and I'm gonna glue put the glue on there in the middle and place this right in the middle.